Do you want to know about affiliate marketing? Yeah, you are on the right place. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how we make money with affiliate marketing. What if you could make money at any time from anywhere, even while you sleep? This is the concept behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. So let's say, for example, there is a website here around toys. You are looking for a new product to promote. Well, these smart toy cars are really popular products and they are extremely popular all the time. So let's say there is people out there who are looking for a new toy car, okay? So people are doing all kinds of searches for toy cars, but they don't know exactly what the product is they want yet. So they are on Google, they are on Amazon, all these places, and they are doing searches for best toy car, and they run across this product here. The Ontel Magic Trax 10-foot glow in the dark bendable flexible racetrack. So they like this product and this product looks great, okay? So they decide they are on the edge of buying this product. So what do they do right before they buy? Well, what a lot of people will do is they will look up reviews on Google for these products. So for example, they will take this product here, do a search on Google, and what they'll do is they'll type in the word review. As you can see here, people are searching for reviews because it's showing up right here. And if we do a search, let's just open up some of these websites here that pop up and see what we get. Okay, so here is a website called TV Stuff Reviews. And if we scroll down, you're going to see they have a basic review of it. And then they have some links here to go to Amazon. And what happens is when people search for reviews of this product and they come to this website, and if they come down here and click on one of these links, this is a special link that the owner of this website has that Amazon or any other website can track specifically to this user. So if the customer buys this product through this link, they know that it came from this website, and so they will send the owner of this website a paid check for referring that person to their site to buy their product. And so if we look, we can see there's all kinds of websites that does this because it works. So we can scroll down through here. We can see total cost breakdown, how to use other Amazon ads, positive points and negative points as well. If they're ready to buy this product, they click through on any of these links and buy products on Amazon's. They'll get commission for it, and here is the link right here. Now what happens is, if I click this is going to redirect me to Amazon to this product. So this here is actually the affiliate ID of the person who owns this website. So if I go ahead and if I buy this item, Amazon knows that it came from the person of this website and they are going to earn a commission for it. And so that's the way affiliates make money. And by writing reviews, you're getting right in front of your customer right before they buy. Okay, so that's what they call a buyer intent keyword. So people search for a product plus review or even product plus discount or product plus coupon. So when you rank for those kinds of keywords, people are gonna find them right before they are ready to purchase. They click your link, then if they buy, you get commission for it, and that's how we make money as affiliate marketers. That's all about the basic working procedure of affiliate marketing. That's all for today. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.